Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello. My name is Liz Rose. I do lots of different videos on this channel, mainly doing colourful, dramatic, interesting looks. I do natural looks, I do some get ready with me, chatty videos, and also some hauls. If that's something you would like to stick around for, then make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and make sure to like this video if you enjoyed. It really helps my channel out a lot. Today is day 3, I believe, of like my natural kind of series. If you don't know already, I'm doing a series of natural looks because I have been doing a lot of colourful looks lately. I want to show my skills to my clients, hopefully that I can do more toned down kind of prom, going out ball looks maybe. I do want to start doing festival looks because I didn't know Coachella was this weekend, just gone, and I had no idea. I thought it was more in like June time. Over here in the UK, festival season is more like June, July, August. So let me know down below if you want to see some festival looks as well. Really want to get creative with that. But then before that, I want to do looks like this, showing you guys that I can do natural glam kind of looks. So today I have like a smoky matte natural look with glowy skin and then a bold red lip. Obviously you can change the lip out to whatever colour you want, especially for prom. If you have like a pink gown dress, then I would recommend going with maybe a nude or like a more pinky lip. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm not sure whether to start with my face first or my eyes. I am doing like a wing eyeliner, so I think I'm going to start with my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting these on. I have been using these recently because I do have them in my kit and I want to see if they actually, you know, work. Okay, so this feels extremely strange. First thing I'm going to do, brush through my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Illustrate. I've been using this for quite a while now and I'm actually really enjoying it. Okay, so next I'm going to actually be using a older palette, and one that I don't necessarily use that often is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Now I've heard a lot of different things about the Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. I know that they've brought out like a new version of the first Naked palette, which is strange, but maybe it's better. I don't know. I only have the old one. So I'm going to use this for today's look. So first I'm going to take the darkest shade we're going to use. It's called Enfrigo, which is this shade here. It's kind of like a dark red shade. Excuse my nails as well, they are disgusting. Okay, so I can't remember how good these eyeshadows are, so hopefully they are decent. I'm going to pop this in the crease. Okay, so next, to blend out the edges, I'm going to take the shade Cayenne, which is more like brown, warm tone brown. Okay, so for the lid, I'm going to take a mix of the shade He Devil and Cayenne, the one we just took. Cayenne cayenne and he devil. I'm going to take a mix of these two and I'm going to pop them on the lid. So we're going for a matte smoky eye today. Okay, so now I'm going to do the wing liner. I'm going to take the Soap and Glory Super Cat liner, which is just a liquid eyeliner. Doesn't have to be precise. Because we are going to go in and smudge it. I'm loving the smudged look. I just think it looks really glam and beautiful. So then I'm going to take any old black eyeshadow, and I'm literally going to smoke this out. Okay, so I've done the eye, now I'm going to move on to this eye. As you can see, these are great for catching eyeshadow. I did use a black shadow, of course. That's why these are called shadow shields, I believe. And yeah, they're just really, really good. If you want to do the base first, then they are great for that. Please ignore my hair. If it looks crazy, then that's because it is. I am not a professional hairstylist. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I hope to be soon. So as you all know, my skin is very dry at the moment. It's going through like a weird phase. I'm going to take the Mario Badescu green tea spray. I need to use this up. Never get over the smell of these. They smell gorge. I have my fan here. It's from Thailand, just to fan my face. So for today's look, I want to go for the matte eye with glowy, glossy lips. Glowy skin and glossy lips, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to take the Cover FX Illuminating Primer. Haven't used this in a while. And I'm going to blend that out with Duo Fibre Brush, just because that's what I like to do. Oh, bitch. I'm going to pop that. Yeah. Okay, so going along with the glowy theme, I'm going to go with the Revolution Fast Base Foundations in the shade F7 and F2. F7 is a little bit too dark for me at the moment and I am running out. And then F2 is just to lighten it a little bit and it's a little bit too light. So I'm going to put this in the outer portion. I swear the dogs only come out when I'm filming. And then I'm going to put this. My hair's annoying me, so I'm going to clip it back for this portion of the video. So now I am going to take... I'm really tempted to add some drops in my foundation, like highlight drops, because I've seen people do this and it looks stunning. These are the Revolution Liquid Highlighter in the shade Liquid Champagne. I think I'm going to add like a little tiny bit. Just because I've never done this before and I'm just curious. And I want a glow. I am thinking about putting that on my highlighted spots anyway, but we will see how this works. So I'm just gonna go straight into it. I'm using a buffing brush. Okay, so even though I only added a slight hint of the shimmer, the liquid highlighter, I'm so glad I did. This is gorgeous. This might not be for people with oily skin, but you can set it, you know. I'm going to use less powder as I can. Don't know why my ears are so red. Well, the one is. Yeah, I'm going to try and use as less powder as possible in this video. I'm only going to set pretty much under my eyes and like my T-zone. But this looks absolutely stunning. This is definitely one of my favourite foundations, but again, it's quite dewy, so you might need to set it if you are oily. Next I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to use the Maybelline The Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade Light. I haven't used this in a while, so hopefully this looks okay. It's not the brightest, but we can work with it. We're not going for a highlighted look today. I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. I'm actually loving my skin right now. Next I'm going to take a little bit of powder before I'm going to contour first. I'm going to use I'm going to cream contour. This is the Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick in the shade Light. It does have a highlight shade and then it has a contour shade. Of course we're going to stick to the contour side. And I'm just going to blend that out with a sponge as well. Okay, so now I'm going to set under my eyes, and I think I'm going to set just my like T-zone and my smile lines. I'm going to use the RCMA No Colour Powder. This is like the only powder I've been using lately. It is a really nice powder. I'm not using too much. This is I think this is the first ever time I'm going to go in and not set my whole face with powder, so we will see how that works out. Next I'm going to go in with bronzer, so I'm going to take a light dusting of bronzer because obviously we did the contour. So I'm going to take the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade 025 Sun Glow. If you know, you know I love this bronzer. It has got a slight shimmer in there, so it will give you a little bit more glow. I think it actually makes it a lot more pigmented when you don't set where you place the bronzer. I'm not going to go in and contour either today because I just want a soft bronzer. I love how glowy I am. I think this is my new vibe. Can't forget the nose. I don't really contour my nose much because I do have like a pointed nose anyway. Like, you know, a skinny nose, so I don't need that. And then for blush, of course, for a glowy look, I'm going to take the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Oh, I just dug my finger in there. I am really, really loving blush lately. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I went out with lots of blush on the other day, and I was living for it. I think it was this blush as well. And to kick it up a notch on the glowiness, I'm going to take MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. And this is definitely going to get me glowing even before the highlight. So I'm going to take this. So I made sure that I didn't spray that on my eyes as much as possible. But next I'm going to go in with highlight. I'm going to take an OG, which is in my kit. It's the Mary Luminizer by The Balm. Looks like this. And I'm just going to, of course, place this in the normal areas. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do my eyebrows and pop some lashes on, and I will be right back to finish off the eye, under the eyes, and of course the lips. I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished this eye and did my eyebrows. Now I'm going to show you what I did. So I'm going to take the first shade we went in with the crease, called Infrago. I'm just going to pop that straight under my eye and blend that all the way across. So, and then I'm going to take Cayenne, which is the warmer brown shade, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. And then lastly I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and go right on the outer part of the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to add lashes. I'm going to add the Tatti lashes in TL9. Okay, so the inner corner, I'm going to take a little bit of the liquid highlighter on my finger. I'm just going to tap that in the inner corner. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter we took on the face and just set that in place. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. Now I'm going to go on with lips. Today I want to do a reddy orange kind of shade, because I haven't done one of them in a hot minute. So I'm going to take a red lip liner to start off with. This is the Colourpop lip liner in Bossy. Then I'm going to go in with the lipstick from Maybelline, the Colour Sensational Matte Lipstick in the shade 955 Craving Coral. It's just a stunning reddy orangey shade, and the smell, is delicious. Okay, so then to top it off, I'm going to go in with the Revolution lip topper in the shade Fortune. I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand because I don't want to get the wand all red. Just because the eyes are very matte, I want to go in with a glossy lip. Okay, so this is it for the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and if you enjoyed it then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments if you enjoyed, and also any looks you want me to create. If it's a natural look, if it's a bold look, please do let me know. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.